We're here underneath the carport, and you probably remember I had said there was damage on the siding because it used to come down, suck back, and go onto the siding. So I was able to pull out the rot, tried to take out more so I could get square, straight cuts, but that was not very easy. I tried chiseling, I tried a little rasping, and just isn't room to really get it out. So I got out what I could, cut some pieces, nailed them in, ended up doing, there's a gap in there because of the way I constructed the house. So I was able to put a 1/2 inch and then a 3/4 inch over top of it. So I've already caulked these. I'm gonna let that dry and then I'll caulk it one more time. And the last one over here, I tried a little differently. All the damage was right here on the bottom, and up here it's not bad. It doesn't seem to be damaged at all. So I took the skill saw, set it for the depth, and then ran this guide right on the concrete, or on this concrete ledge right here, and cut across there. So what I'm going to do now is pop this out. This will give me a nice straight piece I can put in there with 2 angles on the ends. So I'll try to chisel that out. This should be all loose now, so it should come out. And then I can fill that in just like I did the other and caulk it, and we will be done with the repairs underneath the carport. And now with the full extended roof, there will not be any water hitting here unless we were to develop a leak up here, which we haven't, so I think we're good. Let's get it out, get the pieces in there, nail them in, and caulk it. Oh, so the one thing that I should mention, I was a little afraid when I seen these that could there be damage underneath. Well, for one thing, there wasn't as much damage. It didn't go up as far as I thought it might. But secondly, behind here, once you pop this out, I don't think I can pull it out yet, but once you get it out, the house wrap is there. And I think what happened is the water, it probably couldn't get behind that anyways. Plus, it probably didn't even try to too much because it had to go through this 3/4 inch pine first. Okay, so maybe it was a good house wrap, might have helped save this from going onto the sill plates. Okay, let's get to work.